From intense heat to rain, snow, wind, high surf, earthquakes and fires. Living here in Southern California, we experience all sorts of kind of weather and natural disasters, and it's not all easy to understand.
But tonight we're trying to help a Boy Scout troop from Upland earn their merit badge in weather, and who better to answer those questions? Let's listen to the questions first. Take a listen.
Hello, I'm Abel. I'm Clayton. I'm Joseph Sowers.
And I'm Owen, and we are
Troop600. We are currently working on our weather merit badge, and we have some questions with Dallas Reds.
Our first question is, which weather is most harmful to our community?
And our second question is, how does severe weather and flash flooding get alerted to the community?
Thank you for your help answering our questions.
All right, let's get to Dallas Raines for the answers. Dallas.
Those are great questions. And first of all, the first answer is which one is the worst? Probably flooding and fires. We have to put those two together here in Southern California. We get a lot of flooding. Remember, just last week we had those heavy rains and flooding out there in Yucaipa and also up through Running Springs. And then, of course, you get blizzards in Southern California, the mountain areas. We don't get them in the LA Basin, of course, but our friends up in the mountains get those. And then it's all about the Santa Ana winds blowing into Southern California. And when that happens and you have a fire, of course, that is an extremely dangerous situation like we had back last January. Now, as far as how we can find out about these flood warnings and flash flood warnings and all, that comes from the National Weather Service. We have one office, our friends and colleagues up at the National Weather Service in Oxnard, and then down in San Diego. So they will put the warnings and watches out, and then here as broadcast meteorologists, we broadcast those out to you. If you remember last week, I was talking about flash flooding possible 3 or 4 days before the event, but the official warnings have to be issued by the National Weather Service. I hope that answered your questions for you, fellas. Great job out there. All right, here we go with our forecast over the next 7-day period, and it feels really good. Marine layer clouds coming in.